In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So at first just open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Here reach Digital Wellbeing Tools by tapping on Show Your Data, and right in front of you you've got the statistics. So if you'd like to see some further details, just click on the middle of the screen, and here you've got detailed information. So for example, settings been in use for 35 minutes today, Play Store for 9 minutes. We can go back to previous days of usage, and for example, camera been in use for 24 minutes yesterday. And this is how you can check the general time and also time spent on each app on this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.